Hey guys, it's Nuria here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am talking about U-part wigs. I'm not so much talking, I'm actually just going to be showing you guys how exactly I installed the hair and how easy and quick it is, really. But just before we get into the video and I share with you guys how exactly I installed it so it looks super natural as it does. Yep. It looks pretty natural, doesn't it? I know. Anyway, I hope you guys like and enjoy this video. But before we get into it, I just want to share with you guys a few things that I really love. Love is the only word that I can describe how I feel about this hair. These are just a few things that I really do love about this hair. Number one, installation. Tell me why it took me 5 minutes to install this hair. After the braids, of course, you know, because the braiding and all of that, detangling, you know, that's a whole other process. But I'm talking about installing the actual hair. Took me 5 minutes. Number two, there's no sewing, there's no gluing, there's nothing crazy like that involved. The only thing that there is are grips. Yep, hair clips, to be more specific. You clip it on. You know what, I'm not even going to explain. You guys are just going to see it in the video. You're going to love it, and you're probably going to get yourself one of these because this is really quick. Number three, I love the fact that I don't have any bulkiness in the back, guys. I don't know your experience with wigs. My experience with wigs, I always look crazy. That's why I don't do wigs, because I pretty sure I just probably install it wrong or something, but I always look crazy. But I do love this. This gives me perfect wig feels, you know. And what I love the most about it is the fact that I get to leave some of my hair out as well. I love that. I've always gone with weaves instead of wigs just because I get to actually play around a bit with my hair, and you know, I don't really feel secure when it comes to normal traditional wigs, especially the lace front wigs, because I always look crazy. You know, like you can tell that it's not mine. The lace right there is just showing. I look a little bit crazy. I don't really like that. But with this, I get to bring out my hair a little bit, and I look, by the way, guys, I keep looking down so you guys can see the perfection. Okay, I love this. I literally love it. But yeah, I get to bring out my hair and I feel more confident, you know. I know that if the wind blows right now, there's no tracks that are going to be shown. I know that, you know, my head just won't let me down. You know, like I know the type of hair that I have. And that's also a con, guys. If you guys know that you want to go with a straight weave, like, well, straight wig as I did, which I added some waves too, but they've dropped now, but that's okay. If you guys want to go with something like I have today, make sure you do not damage your hair. Know the type of hair you have. If your hair is prone to have heat damage, then go for a different type of weave if that's what you want. Oh, sorry, wig. I keep saying weave because it just looks like a bit like a weave, doesn't it? No bulkiness, no craziness. Ooh. Anyway, going back to my thought, make sure that you do what's best for your hair. My hair doesn't really get heat damage like that. Plus, I don't really use heat that much anyway. So I'm good, you know, and I use the right products for my hair to protect my hair and everything, so I'm not really too worried about that. So make sure you do what's right for your hair. And you know, I can go on and on and on about this hair. That's how much I love it. But the best thing for me is as soon as I'm done with it, I can just clip it off, and out of my head it is, and I can just relax, you know. And I can also sleep with it. If I want to sleep with it and stay with it as long as I want, I can, because it's really comfortable and it's really secure. Like, I feel like if someone was to try me right now and try to have a fight with me, my hair would not go down. I might go down, but my hair will not go down. It will be secure on my head. And that's without sewing. I'm just saying, guys, I love this hair and I hope you guys enjoy this video. And if you do, make sure you like, subscribe, share with everybody you know, and leave your comment down below. Okay, thank you once again for watching this video, and enjoy the installation of this wonderful hair. Bye guys. Right guys, so as you guys can see, the hair came in this beautiful silk bag, which is already protecting the hair. There's no frizz or anything crazy when it comes out of the bag. This is the hair just before I washed it and installed it onto my head. I kept the braiding pattern very simple, and as you guys can see, it's not the neatest, but it's okay. It's doing the protection that I want. Here I just sewed the hair on so that there's no loose hairs or anything like that, and it's just easier to put on the actual wig. I'm just showing you guys what I actually left out, which is the perimeter of my hair and, you know, just the middle where I was going to leave out my hair. Those little small braids I did at the top is just so that the clip has somewhere where they can clip and it doesn't hurt me or slide off, and it's just way more secure. And I will show you guys how exactly I did the braiding pattern for the side parting, because that's for the middle parting as well. You know, after I was done with that, I just styled it, used a little bit of heat protection, and I was good to go. Now I'm just going to show you guys how exactly I did it for the side part. Here's the braiding pattern for the actual side part, which is what I have right now. I literally love it. And the braiding, I kept it very simple, as I did, you know, for the middle part as well. And, you know, it's a little bit neater this time, but still, it's very relaxed. And here are the final results. As you guys can probably tell, I am super happy and I am super feeling myself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to thumbs up, like the video, share, subscribe, and I hope you all stay safe. Bye.